Let's make it explode.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's go, Andrew.
We're recording live from Saturday night, New York City. Alright, let's do this.
Hunter Hadlin. Is it
That's Andrea.
You want to put it right here?
Yeah, let's do it right here.
No, go give her my sister so she can take it from a distance.
You have to do it so that it all like goes in at one time. So it How?
You just put the cap on.
Yeah, just put the cap on, screw it, and run. No.
I don't know what to do. Take two.
No, you don't. You have to put them all in at the same time. Like they all have to like go in.
It's gonna be bad.
Dude, you're not gonna. Don't put one in.
Just run right when I put it in.
Why? No, you gotta put it all in.
It's gonna be so lame.
Oh God!
Why?
It's exploding.
No, I'll explode everywhere.
Now it's too late. Too late for that crap. It's gonna shoot right into Anthony's face. Okay, it's cold. I want to go inside.
Jump on it.
Oh my god!
Dude, that was awesome. Oh.
Oh, gross. Ew. Well, I'll drink that.
All right, let's see.
Ew.
Let's see the shot. It goes. Oh
Oh my
God.
God. Dude, it got on his sweatshirt.
all
You know, I
over
put it
here.
all the way on the side.
And then it
Look at
gets
this.
all over
Look
the
at
fence.
this. Look at it. Shit.
Oh my God. It even got all the way over here.
It's like a jet blast.
All right, good times. Peace out.